Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a live React project and wiring Firebase. First, create the app with Create React App or Vite and install the Firebase SDK. Then, make a src/Firebase config JS file and paste the Firebase config object you copied from the console. Once done, initialize Firebase in that file using initialize app. Export commonly used services like auth, Firestore, and storage. Make sure to keep API keys OK for client use, and avoid committing service account files to version control. Now you integrate Firebase services into React components. Create an auth context that provides current user and auth functions. Wrap your app so components can subscribe. For authentication, implement sign up and sign in with Firebase auth functions. Handle errors and show loading state. For data, use Firestore. Set doc to write, get docs for one-time reads, and on snapshot for real-time listeners. Once listeners are active, update state safely, and unsubscribe on component unmount to avoid memory leaks and unexpected renders. Finish by tightening security and deploying your app. Configure Firestore and storage rules to match your auth flows, then deploy to Firebase hosting or a static host. Set environment variables for the config object on the host. Once deployed, verify auth persistence and that listeners reconnect after refresh. If something breaks, check the browser console for specific Firebase error codes, confirm the project's API keys match, and ensure you unsubscribed listeners. Common pitfalls include mismatched project ID and rule denials. Fix those, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.